In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Uber app. So by updating your Uber app, you'll get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any security issues or bugs that are associated with the older version of Uber app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, for you to be able to update your Uber app and then get the latest version of this app, you need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android smartphone or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. And here's my Play Store, and then I'll use the search function here to search for Uber. And as you can see, my Uber app is here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have an update that is available. Now, to get the latest version of this Uber app, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app. And once the download is done, it will be installed on your smartphone. From here, now you can proceed and open or start using the latest version of Uber app. So that's how you get the latest version of Uber app on your smartphone. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.